nerds. So last time we unboxed and swatched the Ecoline beige pink set of 5 markers. I thought it was high time we swatched all of the Ecoline markers that I have, especially since they've expanded their line to about 60 markers, including the colorless blender. I most certainly do not have all 60. I don't even have 30. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 plus 5. I have 18 of the 60 available colors, and I am super excited because it seems like Ecoline has heard my pleas and they've added a bunch of new colors to their collection, including some of these beige colors here. So last week we swatched those. We already have those swatches available not only on this channel, but on the pad of paper that I'm going to be swatching on today. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop them in, and we're going to swatch the rest. And maybe I should hold off because I have a feeling I'm going to buy some more Ecoline markers in the near future. But I am really excited to see that they've expanded their collection. I hope they will continue to do so because I really enjoy these Ecoline markers. Now, if you guys are interested, you can check out my first Ecoline review by clicking here. You can also click here to check out my field test, or I guess give it 15 seconds and then click that. So we're going to be doing 3 types of swatches. We're going to be doing a plain color swatch. We're going to be doing a blended color swatch, and then we're going, well, blended with the Ecoline colorless blender, and then we're going to blend using plain water. And I'm going to go ahead and just do that in time lapse. You guys can chill out, watch me swatch, and enjoy some music. Alright guys, so that is all of the Ecoline markers I own so far. I think we said 18 of them, from the brand new beige pink brush pens to some of my older collection. Something I noticed is that some of the colors, you see where things were swatched multiple times. I don't know if it's because they were stored improperly and I should have stored them on their side, or if they're just older, but some of the markers, I want to say the glycerin water mix that's used as kind of a solvent or a blending solution, it kind of rose to the top with the dye-based ink kind of remaining lower. So it took a little while to get the colors I want. So if you haven't used your Ecoline markers in a while, just be aware that some settling can occur. I'm going to try storing them horizontal as a permanent structure from now on, and we'll see if that problem happens again. I know with alcohol markers, you should store them horizontally, so that could be the case for water-based markers as well. So I want to thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I look forward to doing something else, another field test with my Ecoline markers, and I hope you guys will check that out. If you're looking for more information about Ecoline water-based markers, you can stick around this channel. I've got 2 videos, I believe. No? 3. I've got 3 videos for you guys to check out, and you can find them in the cards as well as in the description below. If you're interested in ordering your own Ecoline markers, you will find a link to the Dick Blick listing in the description as well. So have a great day, guys. Bye.